Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Apple cider vinegar is a popular ingredient in natural health remedies, and it has several beauty benefits as well. Here are 5 surprising ways that apple cider vinegar can enhance your beauty routine. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties that can help kill acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. It also contains alpha-hydroxy acid, AHAS, that can help exfoliate the skin, unclog pores, and improve skin texture. Dilute the vinegar with water in a 1:1 ratio and use it as a toner to help prevent breakouts. The acidic pH of apple cider vinegar can help balance the pH of your scalp, which can reduce dandruff and itchiness. It can also help remove build-up from the hair products and make hair look shinier and smoother. Mix apple cider vinegar with water in a 1:1 ratio and use it as a rinse after shampooing. Apple cider vinegar can help remove stains from teeth and improve their appearance. However, because of its acidic nature, it should be used sparingly to avoid damaging the enamel. Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water and squeeze it in your mouth for 30 seconds before brushing. Apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and redness associated with sunburn. Mix apple cider vinegar with water in a 1:1 ratio and apply it to the affected areas with a cotton ball. The antibacterial properties of apple cider vinegar can help eliminate the bacteria that cause body odor. Mix apple cider vinegar with water in a 1:1 ratio and apply it to your underarms with a cotton ball to help neutralize odor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.